so welcome back. So in this video, we have here the limit as x approaches infinity ng e to the x plus x raised to 1 over x. Okay, so let's first try to evaluate the limit. No? So this will become e to the infinity plus infinity all raised to 1 over infinity. So yung loob magiging infinity, then yung numerator will become 0. Okay, so this is the form na infinity raised to 0. And we can apply L'Hopital's rule here. Okay? So, kapag we have infinity raised to 0, ang technique natin again is to get e to the ln ng f of x raised to g of x. No? So, limit as x approaches infinity ng e to the ln ng e to the x plus x raised to 1 over x. And we can simplify this to be limit as x approaches infinity ng e to the 1 over x ln e to the x plus x. Okay? Then, kunin natin ngayon yung limit netong numerator. So, this will become limit as x approaches infinity ng 1 over x ln e to the x plus x. Okay? So, ngayon, we have here the form infinity over infinity. Bakit ko nasabi yun? Kasi, we can do is ln e to the x plus x over x. And pag in-evaluate natin, this is ln e to the infinity plus infinity over infinity. Kaya natin nasabi na form infinity over infinity siya. So ngayon, we have the form infinity over infinity. Pwede natin gamitan ng L'Hopital's rule. Okay? So applying L'Hopital's rule. So we have limit as x approaches infinity. So ng ln e to the x plus x all over x. So, anong derivative ng numerator? This is e to the x plus 1 over e to the x plus x. Okay? And then, derivative ng denominator is just 1. No? So, pwede natin ito maging limit as x approaches infinity ng e to the x plus 1 over e to the x plus x. Okay? So, try natin up, no? Try to evaluate limit again. So, limit as x approaches infinity ng e to the x plus 1 over e to the x plus x. So, this is e to the infinity plus 1 over e to the infinity plus infinity. So, this is infinity over infinity. So, apply L'Hopital's rule again. No? So, apply L'Hopital's rule again. So, limit as x approaches infinity, this is e to the x over e to the x plus 1. Okay? So, evaluate natin yung limit ulit. So, this will become e to the infinity over e to the infinity plus 1. And this is infinity over infinity. And apply L'Hopital's rule again. Okay? So, apply lang tayo na L'Hopital's rule. So, limit as x approaches infinity, derivative ng numerator is e to the x. Derivative ng denominator is just e to the x. So, this is equal to 1. So, ngayon, equal siya to 1. So, remember, yung 1 na yan is just the exponent. Okay? Ito lang na part yon. Okay? Yan na part lang yan. So, kapag i-evaluate natin yan, this is e to the 1. Okay? Yun yung sagot natin. So, let's just write it formally. So, limit as x approaches infinity ng e to the x plus 1 over x raised to 1 over x is just equal to e. Okay? So, ganito yung pag-apply natin ng L'Hopital's rule for the form infinity raised to 0. And again, huwag natin kakalimutan, we just apply L'Hopital's rule again and again hanggat hindi pa tayo nakakuha ng isang specific na sagot para sa limit natin. Okay? So, see you in the next video.